Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create hyperlinks within Figma, whether you want to link to an external website, another page in your project, or even a specific frame. By the end of this video, you'll be able to streamline your designs, build interactive prototypes, and make collaboration a breeze using Figma's built-in linking options. So if you've ever wondered how to add clickable links or share specific content within your design files, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about how to hyperlink regular text to an external website. Start by clicking on any text element in your Figma file, maybe a read more label or a company name you want to point somewhere. Give that text a double click to highlight the portion you want to turn into a link. You'll notice up in the top right corner a little chain link icon appears. That's the Create Link option. Go ahead and click that. Now paste in the URL you want the text to point to. This could be your portfolio, a resource, or any web page. As soon as you hit enter, you've created a clickable hyperlink. It's really that simple, and the best part, anyone viewing or interacting with your design will be able to click and go straight to that link, which is perfect for prototypes or shared presentations. Next, let's say you want to link to a specific page inside your Figma project. Maybe you've got a contact page or a set of detailed wireframes elsewhere in your file. Here, what you do. First, head over to your file's Pages section, typically found on the left sidebar. Find the page you want to link to, right-click on it, and from the menu, hit Copy Link to Page. What this does is give you a unique, shareable link directly to that Figma page, almost like dropping a pin on a specific destination in a map. Now just go back to the text, shape, or component you want to act as your hyperlink, and paste that copied link into the same Create Link option we used earlier. This is super handy for directing team members or clients to the right spot without confusion. Don't worry if it takes a moment to find the right page. Figma updates links instantly, so you can always edit it later if you need. Another scenario you might come across is linking directly to a specific frame in your design. For instance, maybe you want to guide someone straight to a particular mockup or artboard. To do this, start by selecting or creating the frame you want to hyperlink to. Simply right-click on the frame in your workspace. In the menu that pops up, you'll see an option that says Copy Link. Click that, and just like before, paste the link into the Create Link field of your chosen object or text. This is a fantastic way to make sure your viewers, collaborators, or clients can jump directly to the exact design context you're referencing. No need for guessing or scrolling endlessly through your file. So as you can see, Figma's linking features make your workflow smoother and communication much more efficient. Whether you're building a simple prototype, handing off your designs, or collaborating in real time. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions about linking or anything else in Figma. I'm always happy to help. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more practical design tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.